Southern Cruisers. Here we are making Alabama white sauce. Now here in Alabama, we don't actually call it Alabama white sauce. Of course, we just call it white sauce. And I grew up in North Alabama. My wife is from Iowa, but I can always remember having white sauce with our barbecue. Now we usually put white sauce on chicken and pork. Tomorrow, wife and I were making some pulled pork for a barbecue for some friends. So we are gonna need white sauce. And I'm gonna show you a couple of different variations of the white sauce that we make. Everybody has their own recipe. This is ours. I'll post the recipe for ours on the comments, or actually in the description. It's very simple. First and foremost, the stuff that makes it white sauce is mayonnaise. Now, this is the one I like. Actually, you know, some people like Bama, some people like Hellman's. There's a lot of good mayos out there. As long as it's not Miracle Whip. If you have Miracle Whip, throw that in the garbage. But this is good stuff. All right, so I went ahead and measured out, so you don't have to watch me measure out everything. So we start with 2 cups of mayo. I'm making a large batch, by the way. We're gonna go with 2 cups of mayo and try to get all this in there. And then we are gonna go with the other thing that gives it a lot of flavor, and that is vinegar. I like to use white vinegar. You'll see a lot of recipes on the internet that use apple cider vinegar. Nothing wrong with that, I just don't prefer it. We're going with a 1/2 cup of white vinegar. Now, I went ahead and measured out the spices, and this is just a starting point, to be honest with you. The sugar and the spices, we start with this, then I'm gonna taste it. I may add something. I may have to do something to it. It seems like every time we're always adding a little this or a little that. So this, and again, recipe will be in the description. This is 3 tablespoons of sugar. It is a teaspoon of salt, and it's black pepper and cayenne pepper to taste. And I start with a lot of black pepper and just a touch of cayenne. I don't want this to be spicy, and you'll see why in a minute, why we actually don't make this. We want to make this kid-friendly, family-friendly, so there's not very much cayenne in there. There will be a fair amount of black pepper. This is our baby right here. We love to use the Braun hand mixer. We had one of these that lasted for several years and got a new one, and this baby right here rocks. So hang on a minute, it's gonna be loud. Gotta get in there and stir it up real good. Okay, that's pretty good for now. Now, I'm gonna need to set this on this plate here so it don't fall. Hang on. One more important ingredient is lemon juice. I don't like to use the store-bought lemon juice, but you can in a hardship. This is our juicer. Let me turn around the other way. These lemons that I bought are giant. So I might have done better with a little bit smaller lemon. There we go. There we go. That's just gonna be better lemon juice. It's gonna taste, you're gonna taste the difference as opposed to the stuff that you buy that's pre-made. But that's okay too. See if we can get this giant lemon to fit inside my juicer. This is why you pre-do some of this ahead of time. There we go. That's gonna work. All right. Now, so we got our lemon juice. We got all of our main ingredients. Let's give it another mix, and then let's taste it. I can see the specks of black pepper in there, and that's a good thing. So yes, it's called white sauce. Sometimes white sauce will be even darker than that. I don't know if you can see that, I think you can. So yeah, it's white, it's got vinegar, it's got specks of black pepper in it. Let's, I brought a couple of disposable spoons with me to give it a taste. I'll go ahead and give it a taste and see where we're at. Dang, that's good. You can taste the lemon. You can taste the vinegar. The mayo just gives it a little creaminess. It's missing and needs a little bit more black pepper. So the black pepper, again, is a primary ingredient of it. Now white sauce, you know, again, they call it Alabama black sauce because it was it was created here in Alabama. It was invented just down the road, allegedly by Big Bob Gibson, which is a nice, you know, restaurant. We need to go there and do a review. They win all kinds of barbecue awards. They're fantastic. Let me go ahead and mix it up and we'll give another taste and see where we're at. Well, the texture looks good. The color looks good. I got my other spoon here. I'm not gonna double dip, no worries. I think that's about perfect. That's really good. All right, so this is what we do next. So we're gonna go ahead, I've cleaned out these sauce jars. Oh, I need my, I'll be right back, hang on. I always forget something. Thought I had everything. Need a funnel. Okay. We got our funnel. We're gonna go ahead and pour it up. And we're gonna bring multiple sauces to the luau tomorrow. If you're serving pulled pork in Alabama, it's a must, pretty much, that you have white sauce. I mean, I may not have regular barbecue sauce at this function. And people around here don't have to have it. If your pork is good enough, you don't need any sauce, to be honest with you. It's just nice to have it. So this will be our first bottle of white, and we may have some extra. I hope we have extra. So everybody will know what that is. Now, here's a little secret that Angela and I came up with, and that is to make white sauce spicy. You just add sriracha to it. That's all you gotta do. And it's freaking amazing. And as far as I know, we're the only ones that do this. I'm gonna add a little bit of white sauce to this bottle. And then I'm gonna add probably about a quarter to a third of this bottle is gonna be sriracha. That's a lot. That's a lot. This is gonna be spicy. I know we got some people there that like spice. And I'm gonna go ahead and shake it up. I'm gonna look for the color. The color, that's very pink. I don't know if you can see that hue right there. This is kind of a secret that I'm giving y'all for free. But this stuff right here is popular. And I have extra white sauce. I'll probably end up making another bottle, another small bottle of the spicy version, because this stuff is the stuff when we have a barbecue, when we have a cookout, this is the stuff that goes first. So I'll bring this and I'll bring this. And that's how we make Alabama white sauce. And someday, maybe, I'll teach y'all about this. This is our recipe for raspberry habanero. We're bringing that too. I'm gonna put that on the side because for now, that's gonna be a secret. All right, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. I'll put a link to this video on our pulled pork Boston butt video that we'll put out around the same time. Thank y'all. Have a great day. Southern Cruisers out.